So down here in Lee Green in southeast London, this is another project we've just completed. So what we did on this project was removed all the old render from all the brickwork on the front of the property. Customer didn't want to go back to brick, wanted to go back to render. So what we've done is re-rendered the front of the property in a lime render, and then repainted all of the masonry. So repainted all of the render in a nice Farrow and Ball colour, all of the stonework in a nice off-white colour. Looks really well. Customers had a new front door put in as well, just to finish off the lovely transformation. Unfortunately, done a little bit of damage, the window guys, to our render, so we've got to come back and do a few small repairs for the customer, just to make sure that everything's lovely and perfect for them. Looking at doing them a new front wall now after Christmas, just to finish off this transformation, and this has come out really well. Nice colours the client picked, so yeah, just something a little bit different than what we normally do, but it's come out really well. So if you like the look of this and you want a free quotation, give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.